Your small church is not a small calling. Pastor, stop measuring your calling by the size of your congregation. There are pastors who are ashamed because they have 10 members. Others have 20 members, or even others have 30. Some meet under trees. Some meet in rented rooms. Some don't even have permanent worship facilities. But let me remind you, Jesus did not despise small beginnings. In the book of Zechariah, chapter number 4, verse number 10 says, "Do not despise these small beginnings." A small congregation can become a strong congregation. A small church can become a missionary church. A small fellowship can become a church planting movement. But sometimes the greatest enemy of a small pastor is isolation. When you are alone, discouragement becomes louder. When you are connected, somebody can say, "Brother, don't give up." Somebody can share a preaching resource. Somebody can introduce you to another pastor. Somebody can help you think through your church administration. Somebody can pray with you. That is why APUAM exists. Our constitutional mandate speaks about unity, fellowship, spiritual encouragement, mentorship, resource sharing, missions, and the church planting. This is not about creating competition between pastors. No. It is about creating brotherhood. APUAM pronouncement is that we refuse to despise small churches. We believe small churches can become strong churches. We believe struggling pastors deserve encouragement. And we also believe genuine churches or church plants deserve support. We believe that when pastors work together, the kingdom can advance further. My dear pastor, your beginning may be small, but your God is not small. Join APUAM. Don't despise your beginning. Strengthen it. Pastors strengthening pastors. Churches strengthening churches. APUAM, there is power in unity. May God bless you. Bye-bye.